Okay, Katie, let's try this together. He told me to go into Clever and then to go to our Classe de Senora Hannah, where we have, well, I have my favorites for the kids. He said to go to Add and Link. So then we would put our, let's do my Zoom link there. Okay. And then I'll just put Senora Hannah for myself. He said to put your bit emojis as your, sorry, I go fast. Okay. Let's download. Uh-oh. Okay, I put you on pause. Sorry. Let's see if this works. Copy image, or let's save image as, sorry Katie, Hannah. Okay, so then let's upload, downloads, Hannah, there we go. Okay, category, Zoom links. Okay. Ooh. You're working through this with me. Oh, category, newly added. Okay, it won't let me type it. Okay, so we're doing that. Add link. Okay, so there's my link. Cool. So let's add yours. I have to save yours. Let's see. I'm gonna pause you again. Okay, I unpaused you again. Let's do link. You gotta go to find your link, Katie. Go there. Your Katie. Upload. There you are. Ooh, why are you so little? Oh, I suppose. Oh, you're so small. Maybe if you sent me your picture, I could do that. I wonder if that works now. Okay. I don't know how we try that, but let's see. There we are.